In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Reporting Dashboards. Asana is a popular project management tool, and its reporting dashboards can provide incredible insights into your team's progress and productivity. So let's jump right in and explore how you can make the most out of this feature. To get started, you'll want to navigate over to Asana. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Reporting in the sidebar. This is your gateway to all the analytics Asana has to offer. Click on it, and you'll be on your way to creating a comprehensive visual overview of your team's performance. Now that we're in the reporting section, the next step is to create a new dashboard. Locate the button that says New Dashboard and give it a click. This step is crucial, as it lets you tailor the data you want to see. Think of dashboards as a blank canvas that allows you to paint a picture of your project's status, aligning with your specific needs and goals. After clicking New Dashboard, you'll see an option to Create. Select this to set up a new dashboard. You'll be prompted to give your dashboard a name, which helps keep things organized and accessible as you expand your reporting. Be thoughtful with this naming. Choose something descriptive that makes it clear what the dashboard is tracking. Once that initial setup is done, you can choose what information you want to display. This is where customization comes into play. Asana allows you to pull in data from different parts of your projects. You can include things like task completion rates, individual worker workload, project timelines, and more. This adds transparency and makes it easier to monitor and adjust as needed. With your data selected, you can now edit the chart style. Asana gives you flexibility here. Whether you prefer line charts, bar graphs, or pie charts, it's all about what displays your data most effectively. Play around with the styles until you find one that resonates with you. Just remember, the goal is for your team to easily interpret and act on the data presented. Go ahead and click Add to include this chart in your dashboard. This process is straightforward but very effective. As your dashboard starts to take shape, you can continually add more charts and data points to further enrich your reports. Finally, once your chart is added, take a moment to review it. Ensure everything is accurately represented and aligned with what you're trying to analyze. This final check is important so that you can catch any discrepancies early and make the necessary adjustments. And there you have it, a clear and effective dashboard in Asana designed to keep you and your team informed and on track. By following these steps, you gain an insightful view into your projects, empowering you to lead more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident in using Asana's reporting dashboards.